To construct a median, you basically have to create the midpoints first, so you can actually construct them all at once. So select the three sides, go to construct midpoints. Now you can either use array. If you want, you're going from a vertex to the opposite midpoint, or you can use segments. Probably best to use segments. And basically, you're done creating the medians. Now, you can also, to create the point of intersection, if you use the arrow, it will find that exact intersection point. And now we'd like to name that. So to name it, you go to display, and actually you have to make sure just the intersection point is selected, and then display label intersection. And for medians, I think we're using M.